Welcome to the Somethin Or Other Tour. We're gonna try to get on that paddle wheeler. Welcome to the Somethin Or Other Tour. Welcome to the Somethin Or Other Tour. I got a thing for paddle wheelers. Had to come see this one, the Spirit of Sacramento. This boat is super popular with urban explorers. So because of that, it's super locked up, bolted shut. John Wayne owned that boat, isn't that crazy? So what happened is the boat actually got grounded, sunk in a way, on the Sacramento Delta area. So I guess it wasn't worth it for them to fix it. So someone purchased it in 1996 and it's just been sitting here derelict. I really wish they'd turn this into something, like make it a attraction. Charge 10 bucks, I'll go up it. I've always loved paddle wheelers, so this is pretty cool. This is what they call the Spirit of Sacramento. Once again, I got the Mitchell brothers with me. MBTV, I'll link their channel. They're doing a video as well. This boat was built in 1942. It was actually purchased and used in a John Wayne movie called Blood Alley.
If we do it from this side, we gotta do it quick because there's cars passing by.
That's what I mean. You can't over here too though. It's not as open. Sesco almost just went for a spill. Down, down, down. Because there's cars passing by. There's no way to get to the top. So this is it for the first floor.
I'm sorry, guys.
That's covered in spider webs. couldn't get to the second floor. I love paddle wheelers because of the Mark Twain at Disneyland and Mark Twain the books, so this is really cool. We couldn't get up top, but oh well. Like, subscribe, share, do all the cool things the cool kids do. All right, we gotta get out of here. Let's go. Shout out the Mitchell brothers once again, along for the adventure. Go check out their video as well. They have really fun explorers and cool content. Go check it out, all right? Let's head out. There's no way. It's all rusty. Oh.